Yeah? Yeah, General. Hey! Yo, Daddy, I want the bumble rascal here, dog.
Oh, dog. And I'm back. Lucky don't see if you drop back to your window. Yo, move quickly.
Bumble clot!
Them the one that can't jump fence.
Daddy, I loot. Yo, my God, come up. Oh shit! Inna the house, my gun. Inna the house!
Shoot her from me. Which house again?
We see your house back. I got here. Guy man, give me one fucking lick. Damn, one of them I'm gonna try to kill that bumbo clot thing because they might get too bright now. You ready? Have you ever Lego shot?
Bumbo!
Yo, what am I going to do? Man, boy, I get too fucking bright now. Taking on. I'm going to do. Pussy. Come back around yourself. Me, I go show you a bumbo clan than that.
I did sit there to kill that zombie then.
You robot not right, that's all?
Where in there? Then they're the front door.
Yeah.
When you start a boom back in my tree, right? So. You know what I waste it, you know?
No matter waste it, brother. You know me have one idea when
I want to start a boom back, try?
Sure.
But which one is on me then there exactly? I see them yourself, what you pussy hold them to know?
Sure, right out the one in pussy clad.
I didn't know see that.
Boom back! You boom back.
Kill her?
Kill one hour, kill two, kill three, two to blood clot. Some of them still alive.
I'm gonna run shit, dog. I can't go this, dog.
Don't you?
And you left the fuck. Left the door with my again, dog, or you fuck it.
Bumbo crap.
Fuck. Hey, not you with Josh! Robot ratted. Bum. Run, come jump in there. Come jump in there. Come. Ratted.
Shit.
Robot, the window there. Yeah, you're coming now.
No, that one go lag out of this dog. Too much fucking man the right there, dog.
Oh shit, me can't attack you. Me try lick him, me can't lick them pussy hole at your window. No, I can't lick him. You blood clot, yo.
Bumbo cloud that fling me out.
Eh? You figure say that, man?
Yeah.
Dog. You need that. A robot that right side, dog, with the red light?
Run feet, you know, on you.
Run for where? That was something like a shot. You think... every time you move, me see headlight move to right. I get what I wanted, man. The man they want to kill your blood and scared. You know what shot?
Family, man.
You know what shot me Lego, Johnny? But I be a two. Look how much shot me have and they give me be a 2-2 shot. No, don't walk through no door. Leave this house, this our safe point. Bumbo clear each way over this dog.
See what chatting?
I say, I'm going to load in Sunday.
Shit.
No, I'm going to make sure I move from the wall before they suck me some shoot me. Before the shit shoot me through the wall. Hello? Me I distract him, Johnny. Hello? Hey!
Man, I be shot from one. Are you man shoot from me?
No. You must shoot over nobody that shoot over so me. The one who have patrol ride so me I keep him distracted. Hello? Pussy, come back. Oi! What the fuck? He shot me up. Yeah, you saying can't shoot right? You want the blood clot.
You shoot your door?
He shoot your window.
they have proper earning.
The man walk with Johnny, right? And by the time I run, I call him, but the man don't turn out. A 2 HP me having a big man. Good to me have like bandages.
I can't climb his arm, I climb up here, sir. Bomb clot!
And the man if you can attach scope. And the 3. It's 3 now.
Well, place grey. One.
I'm in life at the anytime. Are you that him attack to now? You don't. Your bumbo clock. You man put that. Oh, you not jump on the blood clot around there.
When you still can't see me now. Dog, me a dead now, dog.
Nah, a smooth jump there, so dog. Nah, you've got a good dog. You've got a good dog.
Dog, the man they not fear no mercy, dog.
Dog, you have to build up some things, dog. We wait till we get some crafting things and come over here, but dog. Hey, you the man who want to kill, say, no, dog?
Bomb about him blow off me head.
You kill him?
We dead, yeah man, dead man.
Oh, they fucking clot
Right
this.
now me hungry, dog.
99 me there.